of coronavirus cases across the world crossed 19 million. At least 17 people including pilot and co-pilot killed and dozens of people injured in the Air India airplane crash. Trump administration and Congress failed to agree for a stimulus package for coronavirus ravaged economy. Afghan President Ashraf Ghani summons Jirga on release of Taliban prisoners. The health ministry said in Beirut more than 60 people are still missing after a massive explosion at the port left more than 150 people dead. At least 8 soldiers dead in blast outside Somali army base and more than 14 others wounded. Indonesia adds TikTok, Facebook and Disney to list for 10% value added tax. In Pakistan, the National Command and Operations Center has directed the provinces of devise guidelines for managing tourism.